If you are among of the people who wants to unlock Google Veo3 and you are finding difficult to use your ATM card or you don't want to use your card, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use another card and unlock Google Veo3 without using your own personal card, because some people are finding difficult to use their own card. They are scared that when they use their card they are going to charge them. But in this video, I'm going to show you step by step a new method which you can use another virtual card to unlock Google Veo3 without using your own personal card. In this video, I'm going to show you the new method you are going to use to unlock Google Veo3 for 1 month free trial that you'll be using Google Veo3 to create amazing video like the way people are doing right now. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, the part you skip may be most important part you need to watch to get everything done. Alright, so don't skip any part. And any country you are in the world, you can try this method I want to show you right now, and it's going to work perfectly for you because I've tried it and it worked for me. So if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button right now and also the notification bell, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Because in this channel we teach you how you can use AI to create videos, how you can use AI to edit images, how you can use AI to write text, or how you can use AI to also create ebooks and so many more. So hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Comment in the comment section of this video. I want you to comment Veo3 in the comment section of this video. So now let's go dive into it. Let me show you the new trick and the new method which you can use and get Veo3 for free without using your card, but using virtual card which you can get online anytime. So let's get started. Now when you come down to where to unlock the Google Veo3, I'll be leaving down the link to this platform in the description of this video. So make sure you click on it. You click on this subscribe up here. When you click on subscribe up here, then it will bring you to an interface like this. The next thing you are going to do is to click on Get Google API. When you click on Get Google API, it is going to bring you to this interface. Then you click on Agree. When you click on Agree, it's going to take you to where you are going to make the payment using your card. But don't worry, I'm going to show you what to do. Now, as you are going to see, this is Add Card here. As you can see, you click on Add Card. When you click on Add Card, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you are going to add your card number, your name, and your address. So don't worry, I'm going to show you what to do next. Then the next thing you are going to do is to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Now on your Google Play Store or Apple Store, you're going to search for this application you are seeing here, Eversend. As you can see, Eversend. You install the application on your phone and you click on Open. It's going to open. Now it's opening. So as you can see, if you are signing up for the first time, it's going to tell you to register. But I've already have an account. I just need to log in. So you that you don't have an account, it will ask you to register. After you register, it's going to show you where you are going to put your name, everything, and you make the verification. Make sure you verify and do all the information they ask you to do. Now let me show you how you can get the virtual. Now as you can see, it is going to open after you have verified. You verify all your information, you verify all your informations. So after you verify all your information, it's going to give you an interface like this. As you can see, I have some money on my account. So all you just have to do is go to just to click on card here. When you click on card here, you are going to see, as you can see, this is my card. But you that is registered for a new user is going to show you where you are going to obtain your card. And what you just need to do is just to click on create card, and they are going to create this card for you. And after they create this card for you, you are going to get this card and also the address, because when you click on billing address here, you click on billing address, you are going to get the address you are going to use here where you want to register for the Veo3. As you can see, this address you can just change it to United States right now. As you can see, when you change it to United States, it's going to tell you to put the zip code here. So as you can see, you get your zip code here also. Now all you just have to do, you put the zip code here. Then after you put the zip code, then you are going to put the account card number. You put everything. So I will be doing that and show you guys. But first of all, let me show you how you can get the card. So it's going to bring you to this interface where you can get card, and to get this card you need $1 to get card. So, and to be able to get it, you have to verify your account. After you verify your account, they are going to provide you with account number. As you can see, they are going to provide you with account number, where they will bring you to an interface like this, where you can decide to send money into your account. And to get this card, you need $1. But that $1, or let's do exchange here. That $1, let's say to Nigeria money to $1. Let's click on USDT here. Now you need at least 3,000 naira. I know why I say 3,000 naira, but me, I deposit 4,000 naira. I deposit 4,000 naira for me to be able to get the card, because you are going to be the card is $1, and you also need to have $1 in your account. That is why I deposit 4,000 naira. After you deposit the 4,000 naira, you will now come back and click on card here, and you are going to see where you are going to create the card, and they are going to give you the card. And when you get the card, you fill all the information, you make the verification. Sorry, I could not make the video record earlier before I set up this account, but you can follow what I just taught you right now. This app is going to help you a lot. With 4,000 naira, you can unlock this Google Veo3 using your card number and everything, and it's going to be working perfectly. Now, let me use my card number and show you guys how it works. And to review your card detail here, all you just have to do, when you click on this star here, you are going to see review here. As you can see, you click on review and it's going to review. But I don't want to show it right now, so let me pause this video and do that. And after I do it, I'm going to show you the next process so that you see how it works. Now I've put all my card information. The next thing I'll do is to click on save. When I click on save, it's going to bring me to an interface like this, as you are going to see right now. Now, as you can see, this is my interface. Now the next thing I'll do is just to click on continue. It's going to unlock the Google Veo3, and you are going to use it for free for 1 month. You can cancel it anytime, and don't worry, you don't need, they are not going to charge you, because you don't need to be using this card always. So after you just pay the 4,000 naira, you unlock it with your card. If you don't want to use your personal card, and you can also cancel it. So this is the method I use to unlock my Google Veo3. So you can also use this method and unlock your Google Veo3 by getting this card, and after you get the card, you are going to continue. And don't forget, I will also leave down the link to this app. If you don't want to go to Google Play Store and download it, I will leave down the link to this app in the description of this video. You can check it out and click on it. It will take you direct to where you start registration and start setting up the app, and you get your virtual card. And after you get the virtual card, you can use the method I just taught you right now and start unlocking your Google Veo3. See you guys on my next video.